Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up integration to transfer new leads from Google Lead Form to FeedBlitz. This is necessary to automatically transfer new leads from Google Lead Form to other systems. For example, in FeedBlitz you can add new subscribers and set up email newsletters for them. Now let's move on to the setup. First you need to create a new connection. Next you need to select the data source system, in this case we select Google Lead Form. Now we select the system where you want to transfer new leads from Google Lead Form. In this case, choose FeedBlitz. At this stage, you need to create a virtual Google Lead Form account in the Save My Leads system. In this window we can give it a name or just click Continue. When the connected account appears in the list, select it. Now you see the URL for receiving data. It is to this URL that new data from the Google Lead Form will be sent. In order to continue setting up, copy the URL and go to your Google Ads personal account. Next, go to the Ads Assets section. Assets section and select Lead Form. Now we need to select the lead form from which we want to receive new leads and go to its settings. Go to Other Data Integration Options. Paste the copied URL from the Save My Leads system. Copy part of the URL and paste it into the key field. After this, you need to send test data to the specified URL. To do this, click Send Test Data. After that, click Save and return to the Save My Leads system. At this stage you need to connect your FeedBlitz account to the Save My Leads service. In this window you need to specify the API key. To get it, go to your FeedBlitz personal account. Next, go to your account settings, API section. If you have not yet created an API key, click Generate New Key, copy it and paste it into the appropriate field in the Save My Leads system. When the required field is filled in, click Continue. When the connected account appears in the list, select it. Next you see the FeedBlitz fields for creating new subscribers. First you need to select List. Next, you can assign variables from the Google Lead Form to the FeedBlitz fields. To do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. When all fields are filled in, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent to FeedBlitz in the form of new subscribers for each new lead from Google Lead Form. If you are not satisfied with something, click back and you will go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to FeedBlitz. After successful sending, go to FeedBlitz and check the result. If you are satisfied with everything, return to the Save My Leads system and continue setting up. In order for new leads from Google Lead Form to be instantly transferred to FeedBlitz in the form of new subscribers, you need to enable auto update. To do this, click Finish Setup. If you want to change the connection name, you can do this in its settings. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.